Hey you guys, so today I got me a Havahart trap. I got me a little varmint I gotta catch. I got a squirrel that's chewing on my house. So I got me the Havahart. Here's the box. 1025. It's so tight in the box I had to cut the whole box open. But anyways, I just want to show you a quick video on how to set the trap. Now I'm no pro at this, I just bought it. But I figured it out and I'll show you how to do it. This is how it comes from the factory. It's all locked, as if a little guy's caught in there already. So what you do, pull up these rings, which are like locking rings, flip them over, and then you want to make sure this straight rod is under this bent rod right here. And you push down on the bent, and it opens up, and it closes. So to set the trap, here's what you do. Flip those rings, push it down, and then here, there's a little guy right there, and those two want to touch. Put the locking rings back, and then when a little squirrel comes into my trap and he gets the bait, it's going to go wham! And I just want to show you a close-up of what it looks like when you got to have it set with this little guy right here. So again, I'm going to push him down, and then right just like that. See, there's a little flat side right there and a little flat side right there on those two like J hooks kind of. And you just rest them together like that. Put those locking rings back in. Here comes the varmint. Do, 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 do. Ooh, peanut butter, yummy! And then he's trapped. Now, once a little bugger's trapped, he ain't getting out. I'll just show you. I can push down on these rods. Them doors ain't opening. Look, I push up on it, the locking rings, lock them in. So he'll be going crazy, whatever, and eventually you just got to get him out. So if you're going to relocate it, what you do, you just take it to wherever you're going to relocate. Make sure it's legal, of course. And you open the locking rings, and then get ready, because when you open up, he's going to scurry out. And then you're all done. All right, see you next time.